You can see the difference in the worn one and the fresh one. Obviously the edges, and that's where I'm sanding mostly, is on the edge. This edge right here is where I'm grinding, you know, tipping the grinder slightly and just hammering away at it. You can use it flat, but sometimes your guard will get in the way. You don't really want to take the guard off. So this is absolutely the biggest one I can get for this grinder with the guard on there. So it works perfect. This is what the grinding pad looks like after doing all this. So I did that whole section, the front, underneath, and there's still plenty of life left on it. Once this has paint on it, you can see that there's some paint. It doesn't matter. You just dig in a little harder and that paint's not gonna affect it. It's still gonna grind really well.